Hi friends, this is Deep Basu and welcome to my channel Think Deep. I'm back once again and I'm going to review the latest web series on ZEE5 called The Sunflower. I'm sure most of you have watched the trailer, and this web series has been created by one of the talented directors of our film industry called Mr. Vikas Bhal. Vikas Bhal has directed films like Queen, Chiller Party and few more, and he's a very reputed director. So I remember when I watched the trailer of Sunflower, I really found it pretty intriguing and I couldn't wait to watch it. It's a murder mystery which revolves around this cooperative housing society called the Sunflower. And Sunflower has one of my favorite actors. It's not only my favorite actor, I'm sure most of you love him, Mr. Sunil Grover. He has done an outstanding performance. So, coming to the story of Sunflower, it's a murder mystery which involves one murder and two suspects. So, the story of Sunflower basically begins with the murder of one of the residents called Raj Kapoor. So, the web series begins on a very slow burn, very well shot, where we are basically, as an audience, we are basically shown the resident Raj Kapoor, how it's morning, he collects the newspaper, and there's a coconut water kept outside his house, how he drinks the coconut water, and while going for a dump, while sitting on his washroom, inside his washroom on the commode, he suddenly dies. That's how the film begins. And I love the first shot, how the focus is on the coconut, that the coconut tub water, and how the person who's cycling, how he takes us through the entire city to the building, to Raj Kapoor's house. I love the first shot. I think it's done by one take. The opening credits are, all over the screen, and how the dark water travels from the gate to Raj Kapoor's house. I love the way it's shot. So the web series begins with the murder of Raj Kapoor. All of a sudden, while sitting on the commode, drinking the dark water, reading his newspaper, he dies. And his neighbor, Mr. Ahuja, is somewhat instrumental to his murder. I won't give out much details. So there are a lot of residents. It's a cooperative housing society. So apparently Mr. Ahuja, who happens to be Raj Kapoor's neighbor, had a altercation, or they somewhat didn't like each other. So Mr. Ahuja and his family, his wife, is somewhat instrumental in murdering Dr. Raj Kapoor. Why? You will find out. And is he actually the killer? We don't know. We should find out. So the murder is taking place. There's a lot of hue and cry, pandemonium. Inspector Digendra, played by Ranveer Shode, and his sub-inspector Girish Kulkarni enter the scene, and they start investigating who and why this guy is suddenly dead. Is it a murder or a suicide? So there's a lot of pandemonium. Investigation begins. Tambe and Inspector Digendra are on the scene. They are asking questions, they are interrogating the residents, and they are finding what actually happened. Why did Raj Kapoor die? Now enters the main protagonist, Sonu Singh, which is Sunil Grover. Now Sunil Grover plays a very mysterious, quirky, humorous, an individual. And looking at Sunil Grover's character now, you will laugh, you will empathize with him, you will relate to him, because you might have in your life come across someone like him. So Sunil Grover's character is doing everything with a straight face, but somewhat his presence will always make you laugh and always keep you on your toes, that what he's going to do next. So naturally, as far the investigation is concerned, all the clues and suspects and everything basically goes against Sonu Singh, and Sonu Singh becomes the prime suspect. How you need to watch. So now there are two suspects. One is Dr. Ahuja, as I told you in the beginning, who is somewhat instrumental in killing Raj Kapoor, and then we have Sonu Singh, Sunil Grover. He becomes one of the prime suspects, and who has nothing to do with the murder. And Sonu Singh was one of the first residents who declares that this is not a suicide but a murder. That's how Ranveer Shode, Inspector Digendra, somewhat begins to suspect him, that how this guy all of a sudden declares this to be a murder, not suicide. So now there are a lot of characters, there are a lot of alternative stories which is happening simultaneously. We have other characters like character of Ashit Vidyarthi. He plays Iyer. He's a very staunch, he's a very very what do you call, old-fashioned neighbor who is a manager of this society and who basically wants to maintain a clean society, and is very judgmental. He doesn't like single mothers. He doesn't like bachelors. Who doesn't like he basically what do you call, judges women who wear different. If you're not wearing a salwar kameez, so he'll judge you. So he's a very old-fashioned Iyer, and he wants to maintain a clean society. So that's his one character. And Dr. Ahuja, the first suspect, also having some internal conflict with his wife, and he had a major conflict with Dr. Raj Kapoor, and since he's one of the suspects, he's trying to make sure that the murder side doesn't find any of his clues. So that's one story going simultaneously. The story of Ashir Vidyarthi, and Dr. Raj Kapoor basically has a wife, estranged wife, played by Sonal Nagrani. She suddenly appears in the scene, who's having an affair with someone else. She also is playing a very important role, which we'll find out in the second season. So there's a lot of simultaneous stories going on simultaneously, and of course Sonu Singh, the story of Sunil Grover. So Sunil Grover is basically, I would say, he is the main protagonist, and he's one of the prime suspects. And I think somewhere or the aspects, he's hiding something. There might be a revelation in the second season, because I didn't get to see much, revelation or any kind of out of the box thing of this character in this season. Because somewhat I felt these 9 episodes are dwelling on the same thing. I somewhat feel that the 9 episodes could have been slightly shorter. The web series could have got a little more forward, because in the 9 episodes the entire investigation is happening between these two suspects, and somewhat I didn't find this entire investigation going forward. Now we have to wait for the second season if it happens. And down the line, I feel that the Sunflower overall could have been a little more interesting, because the trailer was very interesting. Somewhat I feel the Sunflower fails to deliver and live up to the trailer, because nothing much happens in the first season. There's nothing wow, nothing astonishing. And the hook point also, the entire season ends also is okay. It's not that I will be looking forward to the second season. It was okay. So somewhat I felt it could have been more interesting. It starts out very well. The first few episodes are amazing, but somewhat I felt that it could have offered much more. But overall, the performances by Mukul Chadda, who plays Dr. Ahuja, Raj Kapoor, Sonal Nagrani, Sunil Grover, Ashir Vidyarthi, Girish Kulkarni, and our Inspector Digendar, has done an awesome job. And this entire web series basically relies much on performances. Ranveer Suri, Inspector Digendar, all of them have done a great job, and they are so real. Means if you meet such characters, if you see them perform, you will 100% say that these kind of characters I have met in my lifetime. So this is one advantage of seeing a Vikas Bhal creation. Everything is so real. The performances are so apt. But overall, Sunflower is okay. It's a good watch. It's an interesting watch. But I somewhat felt that it could have offered much more. It could have been more interesting, and a little bit of twists and turns would have done the trick. But overall, it's a good watch, interesting watch, and it's a mystery. It's a dark humor. You can put it and place it under various genres. But if you are a big fan of Sunil Grover, you need to watch it, and I hope the second season definitely has much more to offer than the first. Anyway guys, this is my review for Sunflower. I hope I've covered everything. The background score is amazing. The music and everything, the editing, the direction, everything is top notch. So guys, this is my review for Sunflower, and I'll be back with a new movie review very soon. So have a good weekend. And in Mumbai, people of Mumbai, I hope you guys are enjoying the weather. It's been raining since morning and lightning. My God. So guys, I done with my review. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Think Deep Basu, on YouTube and Instagram, my account. Please feel free to post your feedback. I'll be back very soon. Bye.